Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is my medical grade walking boot that I've been using since my ankle surgery. I just want to explain to you a few things that I like about it. It has a very nice sole, so you have a lot of traction, which is important after an injury. You don't want to feel like you're not stable. And I also appreciate how thick the padding is. When you've had an injury or a surgery and you have to wear a boot like this, you want to have the padding be as secure and comforting as possible. That's how I feel. I also appreciate how customizable this is to size because it has an air chamber that you can inflate or deflate depending on how snug you want the interior of the boot to be. Now, this is a large and I am a size 10 shoe. When I first had to start wearing this, my ankle was very swollen, so I appreciate that ability to adjust the inside to what feels the most comfortable for me. But then as my swelling went down, because it has so many adjustable straps, I was able to still stay very snug and secure inside this boot, even though the actual size of my foot and ankle changed. So I'm very pleased with this purchase, and under the circumstances that it's as comfortable as I can expect and very secure as my ankle heals. And that is my point of view.